need to put this in the odd jobs video. We're making some brackets because Ben got flat bar and it's wrong.
1069 and that's not.
Hold the lid. Hold the lid. What are you doing, you fucking... Good enough. If it's short, I don't care. There. Can you see it?
No.
Oh, that measurement's between this little edge and the other little edge, so I can, like, bolt it up. Because it was going to be flat bar, but someone mismeasured something, and it was Ben, and now I have to fix it.
Where's the guy who does it for a living?
I bought one of these on the way home, too. Cheese and garlic and bacon twist. Delicious.
Why do you pour? I'm doing this to make you look bigger. Tell the people what you've done.
I put some little stitches on this with no tacks on this side now. No stitch. Also, I should be pretty good at this because it's what I do for work. Not kitchens, I shoot kitchens.
He's not good at his job, people.
If you had me on Facebook, you would see what I do when it is not working. I need a rest. I could just put a rather big stitch on here. Maybe I will.
The stitch the entire way along.
No, that's too much heat.
Just spray it with water at the same time.
No. You just shoved me out of the way?
Yes. How does it make you feel?
Like I'm not getting paid the same rate at work. Especially on the weekends. How high are these trestles?
Too high?
No, I actually think they're lower than what my bench is. At work, I got a high bench. This is actually a much easier weld than what the inside was. Because it's actually got the radius, so it actually helps dissipate the heat both ways. Oh, eyes. We have done things that needed to be done temporarily. What was it hitting? Something to do with this, mate? Yeah. Possibly. Just the latches in them. So, my kitchen will now slide out of the trailer.
Oh, can that turn?
They're 11. Yes and no.
Because if that can, that'll out here so you can wash your hands and shit too.
No, I don't think that bit does.
I think it does. Yeah, that does.
Oh, there you go.
The bed.
But that's still in my trailer.
That's not.
Oh, not when it's outside, no.
It's outside. I'm outside.
Yeah. Do need to figure out the drain for that, but we can do that later. Anyway, the slide's closed length is 11.18, so that from there to there's 22.20-ish, 22.40-ish. Locks in. That'll be good. Now on the cooktop's out, it's here. We'll get that done. Could, but if it ever breaks...
You have to run all the gas lines and everything.
Yeah, that's a good point. Well, the gas line's pretty easy because it's in there.
Mm-hmm.
So I just need a fitting from there into a barbecue hose fitting.
3.7. What? POL is the word.
That's the one. heaps of space.
I'm at that end now.
Oh, hang on.
So we're gonna bolt them instead of these.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got bolts, I just didn't know how many we got, but
Swap these out for them.
we should, yeah. So these are temporary, they're going to be bolts. But that's not bad. Kitchen's in, kinda,
It
mostly.
operates like this.
Yeah, like a standard kitchen with some latches. Did you just pinch your finger?
No.
No? And there'll be like gas hoses and stuff coiled in here.
There'll be this guy in here.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna cut the bottom out, have a different hose, and then just have it run out underneath. Cause
Jesse, stop tools. Come with me.
I'll just leave that. Leaking. I'm gonna blame Ben. Where's it leaking from? Oh, probably many places. Oh yeah, the resin in bolts. So, it'll be getting the tank. Can't really see, but there is 2 wet patches. Alright, means I need to buy a tank.
Give us time. He's old, so he'll be up. Yeah. Give us time to get together. I mean, I like that. There's some investment, that's what we expect to get out of that.
We have done a thing. Yeah, shouldn't have your finger in there. I don't want to get on video. Cooktop, sink. It's not overly tall, but it's not low either.
It's probably a bit too tall for the cooking, but it's not like you cook on it every night. It's for camping.
Yeah, I think the patrol's kitchen was higher. But that's a thing. It's cheap. This slides out. I already unlatched everything.
Oh, she's getting down the tank.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I could probably slip in here and wouldn't want to.
But you just get your food out. But also, this is the main one you care about.
Yeah.
Because the only one who want to get drinks and whatnot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Switch. There's no switch, so I'm assuming it's not plugged in. Yeah, but oh yeah, it's plugged in.
There's a switch.
Where is it? There. Yeah. And the water pump, which when I flick that on, it's gonna. Oh god.
That works pretty well.
It does.
Is that the first thing?
Yep. But it leaks when that's off, so I might get another one.